So there are many ways in which governments can encourage public participation in fiscal policies. And I think the most important ways relate to governments or departments ensuring that they get out into the public, get out into constituencies, get out onto the ground. So for example, by having public hearings and making sure that their voice, their plans are made clear and they're made available and that the public has access to them. So I think primarily it's about getting out to the public physically and also getting information out to the public.
Governments can encourage public participation in fiscal policies by, for example, making technology available and using it as a platform to interact with their citizens.
There are also very many benefits of public participation in fiscal policies. And key amongst these is really, I think when we ask our questions, what are fiscal policies for? And they're about meeting the needs of public, they're about meeting the needs of citizens. And so in order to meet the needs of citizens, you need to know what their needs are, and you need to know what their needs are as they change and over time. Make sure that you know what the needs are and that your information is accurate. And so the only way to get that or to have that knowledge is by engaging the public, and that's through the various public participation processes. So those are the benefits, is that your planning is informed by the people that you're wanting to help.
The benefits of public participation relate to increased accountability by government to its citizens, as well as allowing citizens to be heard in the budget.
The relevance of having public participation principles in fiscal policy is really relates directly to the fact that in order for the fiscal policy to address the needs of the people and to engage the people in their own destiny, you need to have them participate. And so the principles really are about having that process coherent, having that process credible. I think public participation makes fiscal policy and planning credible and meaningful, and really gives the desired effect in terms of people engaging in their own destiny, engaging in decision making that influences how their lives will be enhanced or how their needs will be met. So I think that's really at the core of public participation principles and their relevance to fiscal policy.
The relevance of having public participation principles in fiscal policy is that it can establish the norms and standards by which government and civil society can benchmark themselves and customize in their relevant countries in order to improve their fiscal policy and citizen participation in it.